Blowout. Welcome to Blowout 90.
Carrot head.
09. July 09. In fact. You're not even talking to me, are you?
Yes, I am.
Anyway, today we played baseball with Katie, Aaron, Michael, Tony, me, and Kennedy. Katie quit 7 times.
That's going to be on YouTube.
Oh no, you can't do that.
It's not illegal to have that on. Yeah, that's illegal to have that on YouTube, isn't it?
It's supposed to be the blowout.
There you go, Tom. Here we got Larry. Have you got yours? That's a lot for you to chug, Larry.
I'm not chugging it.
What do you mean we're doing
You gotta chug
shots?
it. You guys are chugging it.
Get over here, Larry.
I was
How
sipping
did it
it.
send up like everyone's doing a shot?
Ready? 1, 2,
This isn't good.
3.
This isn't good for the movie.
Come over here, Larry. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Kathy did it!
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Tasty.
Remember, this is recording your voice.
Okay.
He's got a little messy. Ready?
You're gonna have to get closer to get the tongue. Ray, get in there.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God. You're making me sick thinking about it.
Oh my God.
This is where Lady Gaga lives. Right there.
Narrating over here.
And wait a minute. There's Larry. Go ahead, ask me, Larry.
Joni, where's the wine?
I don't know, Larry. Ask your wife. Yeah, go ahead. Where'd you
which
get
legs
that?
are
Where'd
nicer?
you get that glass, Larry? Oh, nice legs.
You had it.
Put that glass down there.
These are nice.
Put that down there next to your leg, Larry.
But then you got to the knee.
Oh yeah, they compare.
Can
Okay.
you?
Whoa.
Don't spill it, Larry. After 2 shots, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bite me hat on. Larry's got his bite me hat on.
It's going to drip off the bottom there. Wipe off the
Ooh, Larry's a little tipsy.
the bottom of the glass. You got a little.
Don't you be talking about me, Joni.
You don't want it to dribble on your chin.
And there's Kate. Kate, how are you, Kate?
Dripped on the.
Show us a few dance steps, Katie.
Come on, get away from me.
Mr. Gaga. Ah, there he is, Mr. Gaga. Bite me.
Gaga.
Bite me, Larry.
That's enough.
Okay, we'll go over to Ray. Mr. Ray over there. Oh, isn't that nice? He gave me a kiss.
Come over here with me. We're being
Okay, Laura, you're next. There's Brian.
I don't want to be on
Brian, talk to us, Brian. You getting a phone call,
loud
Brian?
ring.
No business today. We're busy.
Business is not the ring. It's Canada
Canada Day.
Thunder.
Canada Day.
Canada, the happy
That-
Canada.
And we all know, let's salute Brian because he's Canadian. He's Canadian. Brian.
Who?
Well, his ancestors.
And he's got a birthday coming up.
And that's right, so do you, Larry.
Okay, ready? Are you ready, guys?
Are we ready? Hold on.
1, 2,
Remember the
3.
tongue.
Goodbye, my friends. The time has come, so we must move along.